Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to show you about the plastic being changed. Now, this is plain plastic, but we're changing out all the interior plastic in a Grumman two-seater. Now, as you can see here from the video, the first thing you do is you take everything out down to the floor, and we're going to get it good and clean. Take some of the weight off the airplane and give us a good surface, and then we can install the new plastic. So stay tuned while we have some more fun doing that. So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, as we said, we start off by taking all the old plastic out. Now, the windows have already been changed, so we're just looking at the plastic that we're going to go here. Now, with everything nice and clean, we can go ahead and start evaluating what we have to start with, and then we can start taking out the old plastic carefully. We may need it for some patterning, but more than likely we won't be needing it. And you'll be surprised, compared to the four-place airplanes, you don't have a whole lot of plastic in the two-place airplanes. I mean, you have the rear windows and you have a couple of strips for the canopy, but you're missing a lot of the pieces that are in the four-place airplanes. But again, you just take it out of the airplane and evaluate what you have. And as you can see here, these are originals that have been glued together, taped together, bonded together over the years to make them laugh. Now, once you have the new ones in, you just go ahead, and here they are from plain plastics with all the sticker numbers, but you just ordered the complete set for the two-place airplanes. It's not a lot, and the nice thing about the two-place airplanes, it all fits in one box very carefully. Once you take the plastic out, including the new box, then you want to clean everything and then paint it in the color that you're going to put in your airplane. And then once you have that ready, it's time to start putting it back. Now, this is I apologize here for the cell phone video, but this is the interior after it's all been completed, showing you the seats and everything and the new shoulder straps. That was in a previous video. This is on Spanky the Red Yankee when he redid all the leather interior and all the matching trim pieces, but this is just the plastic going in with the new carpet set, and it looks really nice. So we have a couple of pictures here coming at the very end that are nice and high resolution. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found the easiness of changing all your plastic out in a two-place airplane. I hope you found it useful and informative. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day flying your airplane. And just goes to show you, an airplane that was put together in 1968 still looks good today in 2022. Thank you. And we thought we'd share our little MGM lion with you. Perfect. So we hope you enjoyed all of this. Thanks for watching.